nephew of Julian child, and welcome to the Hollywood Farmers Market.
I don't know. Let's check it out.
Ooh, these would make lovely mashed potatoes with oodles and oodles of butter. String beans with lots and lots of butter. Lovely heirloom tomatoes, I think sauteed in butter.
Whole table? Okay.
What? With lots and lots of butter. As a child in the kitchen with my Aunt Julia, I would always beg for Crepes Suzette. And Aunt Julia would make the most wonderful Crepes Suzette using orange zest and fresh orange juice. Now all that is needed are a couple of more grocery items. Mr. 99-cent chef recommends the store for the ingredients for my Crepes Suzette. Butter. Bonjour. I'm Julian Child, and welcome to the 99-cent Chef's Kitchen. And today I'm going to make Crepes Suzette. It was my favorite dessert that Auntie Julia would make for me when I would summer with her in France. Crepes are very light, similar to pancakes, and very simple to make. A little bit of flour, some milk, water, a few eggs, pinch of salt, and of course butter. And now we whisk it until smooth. Only for a couple of minutes. And then when the butter's nice and melted, here we go, swirl it around. Into the hot non-stick omelet pan, we will add the crepe batter. 1, 2, 3, and we swirl it around to the edges, and we cook it for a couple of minutes. Just let it set, loosen along the edges after about a minute, and then we carefully flip it over. Come on, loosen up. Oh boy, the first crepe is always garbage, and it goes. It's nice and firm, and then we'll flip it over. Here we go. Voila! There. Slightly brown, which is very nice. And as an accompaniment to the crepes, we have a lovely orange butter sauce, which consists of half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of sugar, the zest of one orange, and of course, 1 stick of butter. We add all the ingredients to a hot pan. Oh, I love butter. Here we go. And we add the orange juice. Then we add the sugar. Here we go. And we add the orange zest. And we allow it to cook and thicken. And the final step is to add the crepes to the orange butter sauce. Here we go. And we add it. There we go. We folded once, and we folded twice. There we go. And when I was at Aunt Julia's side in the kitchen, when I was a young tot, the most fun part of this recipe was a cognac flambé. Oh, flambé! Ha ha ha! What fun! Careful! Crepes Suzette. It's such a wonderful childhood memory from the kitchen of Aunt Julia.